It's the island. Well, a vibe in here. Yeah. It's the island. Boy.
Wagwan. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Alright, so you guys see, family is here. Yeah, man, and today, guys, we're back at our favorite spot to fish. Yeah, man, so it's a bit wavy today, but calm same way. You know, it's not too bad. And there's lots of surfers out today, as you guys can see. So, yeah, island here. Hi. Yeah. Alright, guys. Have anything you want to say, babe?
Nothing. Can't wait to catch some fish.
Yeah. So, back in the afternoon. Don't know if it's gonna be like last week where the fish started biting like late in the evening, or if we're gonna catch some now. Let's find out. So stick around, guys. Beautiful day. A bit chilly even though the sun is out, but it's good. So baby's going out for the first try. I haven't rigged up my line yet, so I'll just see what happens. And there's a diver that just gone out there, so said he's gonna look some cray. Normally, as he say, cray for lobster. Oh no, probably you need to go down a bit further, babe. And I have to go pull it. Take two. Go again. Yeah, good one. So let's see what's gonna happen if there is action here in the afternoon. Right now it's 12:28. Oh shit, look, babe. Did you see those fish in the waves? Holy shit. I just see a group of fish, guys. They're massive in the wave. That's crazy.
That was a good try.
Yeah, good one. That's good. Look out there, I see some fish jumping. Yeah, see, look at it out there. Some fish jumping out there, guys. Reel up your line a bit, babe. You don't want it to get in the rocks at the shallow. You sure, or is it stuck? Think it's stuck, babe. Take your time, babe. It's stuck. Stuck fully, and I have to burst it.
I think it was something and I kicked it and it went under a rock.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. See if you can get it.
You have to burst it.
Bubby!
When it's stuck like this, it's like... It's still stretching. Oh, look there. That guy had that standing surfboard thing.
Oh wow! I felt it bite and then I think I nicked it, but it swam under a rock, and that's where I probably got. It was probably one of those what do you call those rockfish? The one that looks like puffer fish, but they're not. They're like really look like slimy looking.
Yeah. When I fish up, Alright, time to fish now, guys. Oh, that look like a good throw. Reel it up a bit. Alright, so yeah, it gets stuck down there. You have to always keep it up.
Your one's, this one's not
That jet ski, babe. 3 of them. Fish on. Let's hope it's a good one, because it's pure of the same fish I've been. Oh no, it's the same fish but me hate for catch. Too many of them. This here, guys, this is like the 3rd one so far. Just don't eat them. Yeah, catch another one. Yay. Yeah, we'll catch something to bring home. We'll catch something to bring home. Wait. Oops. Stop there.
shit, Clark.
One thing I've been seeing is lots of whale. First time seeing whale, guys. It's a pity I couldn't show you is because they're very far away and the camera wouldn't be able to pick them up. But there's lots of whales I've been seeing all day. First time seeing whale, guys.